Welcome to Rannkly, where managing team member permissions is a breeze. Today, we'll show you how to do just that. First, make sure you have primary owner permission. You can easily check this by heading to My Team and locating your profile using your email ID. You'll be redirected to the Access Control screen, which has tabs for different Rannkly products. Select the product for which you want to restrict permissions. In this example, we'll choose Reviews. Now you'll see a list of features related to reviews. Click on the feature you want to manage access for. Let's start with My Reviews. Here you have two options. You can assign all permissions at once by selecting All, or you can choose individual permissions by ticking the checkboxes. If you want to apply all permissions in one go, click on Select All Permissions and then hit Save. If you have multiple team members with the same role and need to assign the same permissions to them, no problem. Click on Apply to Other Team Members. Choose the team members you want to assign permissions to, and when you're ready, hit Apply. There you have it. You now know how to assign permissions to individual team members in Rannkly, making team management a breeze. Happy managing!